this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps. Thank you for joining me today for another demonstration. We're going to be using one of our stencils today and our stippling brush. So let's get started anyway. I'm going to just start with placing that over the top, and then we're going to ink up in the Morning Mist. This is our grey VersaFine. So you can tape this down if you wish. I'm just going to hold it in place, and then I'm just going to gently go over the top. And all I'm doing is creating circles over the top, just sweeping round the ink. And just keep working into all those intricate areas. Okay, let's have a look at that. That's great. Okay, so secondly, I'm going to just tear some paper now. I want to create a little hill. And I'm going to pop that down about there. And then going back to the Morning Mist, so all I'm doing is just building up a little bit of colour. Okay, and now I'm going to use the twilight and just go along the very edge, so it's just a hint of blue. Okay, so now I'm going to use our toadstool stamp, and I'm going to ink up in the black. Now what I'd like to do with that is actually add a little bit of the red tulip on top, just on the tops of the mushrooms. Now it's a little bit tricky to try and get that on. Let's see what that stamps out like now. There we go. So it's just giving you a hint of the red in there. Now we're going to put our Wallace family, our little hedgehogs, down at the base of the mushrooms. So again, I'm going to ink up in the Nocturne and just place one on that side and then I'm going to place another one on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to go around the edge of the card. This time I'm going to use the Twilight. And then work my way around the whole card. So I'm just building up some depth around the edge, and this just simply pulls your eyes into the center of the card where the focal point is. Okay, so lastly I'm going to ink up some words. This is one of our Christmas verses, and I'm going to pop that running down the side here. Like so. And then lastly, taking the quickie glue pen, I'm just going to run that over the edge of the little hill that they're both stood on, and I'm going to just glitter that up. This is the blue that's like a turquoise green glitter, and I'm going to put that over the whole thing because the fine glitter will always stick to the VersaFine, and I think that looks great. It's a great effect. And there we have it. Well, thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the demo today. You take care and see you again real soon. Bye for now.